Alright, let's get started. In this video, we are going to install the Audacity software. Just go to any browser and write here Audacity and hit enter. Now this software is an open source free software, so we can simply download it without any hassle. Just click on the first website, the official website of Audacity, and here you will find this button, download Audacity, install with no extras. So let's click on it, and the setup download location will be downloads. Let's save it. If it shows you this message, just download the unverified file. Now I'm using Brave browser, so it shows this message for all the external softwares. And after the download is complete, let's click on it and install the software. Now installation is pretty straightforward. First of all, you will be asked to open the file. Let's run it. Yes, click OK to select the language. Click next. These are some terms and conditions. Click next, and it will be saved in the default program files and Audacity folder. So click next, and the folder is not created, so it asks you to create anyway. Yes. And we also want to create a desktop shortcut. Click next and install. So this is how simple it is to install Audacity. Just automatically close the applications and click next. So it will take very little time to install Audacity because it's a very light software. And after that, let's launch Audacity. Tick on this and click finish. So after the installation is complete, when we click finish, you will see this screen where we will do all the awesome stuff, all the recording and editing of audios in Audacity. We will also see how to apply some effects. So basically we will learn how to make any speech sound beautiful. So this is how you install it. So just install the software so that from the next videos you can follow along.